Park Hyo Shin sweeps all major real-time charts with Sound of Winter. Singer Park Hyo Shin has once again topped the charts with his latest single. On January 1st at midnight KST, Park Hyo Shin rang in the new year by sharing his single Sound of Winter. Many charts now have rules that do not allow a song to enter the real-time chart until afternoon KST, but once that time passed, Sound of Winter rose to the top of all real-time charts. Soompi. Display. News. English. 300 by 250. Mobile. English. 300 by 250. ATF. As of 10:30 p.m. KST on January 1st, Sound of Winter came in at number 1 on all 6 major real-time charts: Melon, Genie, Bugs, Knit, Naver, and Soribada. Congratulations to Park Hyo Shin.